Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel number 1 online competition classes. In this video, I shall tell you some current affairs questions of April months. So let's start. First question is National Cadet Corps NCC has offered its volunteer cadets for national duty to fight COVID-19 under which initiative? Right answer is exercise NCC Yogdan. Next question. Which among the following has designed a causality evacuation bag to transport or isolate persons infected with COVID-19? Right answer is DRDO. Next question. The government of India has sold its stake in THDC India Ltd and NEPCO and AEPCO North Eastern Electric Power Corp to which Indian public sector undertaking? Right answer is NTPC. Next question. Which ministry has launched a portal stranded in India to help foreign tourists who are stuck in various parts of the country? Right answer is Ministry of Tourism. Next question. China has identified Tanriquang as the best cure for COVID-19. This traditional medicine carries the vial of which animal? Right answer is bear. If you did not like our video, please like this video and subscribe this video also. Next question. Who is the author of the book The Death of Jesus? Right answer is J.M. Khartey. Next question. As per the latest UNCTAD report, the world economy will go into recession with the exception of which two countries? Right answer is say India and China. Next question. Which state observed Utkal Divas on 1 April 2020? Right answer is say Odisha. Next question. Tata Power GP Commission has started commercial operation of a 178 megawatt hydropower project in which country? Right answer is Georgia. Next question. Which company has what 5.45% stake in SpaceX? Right answer is A. HDFC Trustee Company. Next question. Which Indian newspaper that used to get published in the United States for 50 years has killed its printed edition? Right answer is Indian Abroad. Next question. Which bank has offered 1 billion rupees for a proposed India COVID-19 emergency project? Right answer is World Bank. Next question. What is the theme of the World Autism Awareness Day 2020? Right answer is the transition to adulthood. Next question. First UNSC meeting on COVID-19 will be held soon. Which country currently holds the presidency of the United Nations Security Council? Right answer is Dominican Republic. Next question. Which company has acquired a popular weather of dark sky? Right answer is B. Apple. What is the full form of MOM, which is designed by the personnel from Naval Dockyard in Visakhapatnam? Right answer is multi-phase oxygen manifold. Next question. India and which country have postponed all the events planned to celebrate the 17th anniversary of their diplomatic relations due to COVID-19? Right answer is China. Next question. Which state will distribute 25 lakh housing seats to the poor under Navratnalu Peda Landariki Illu Houses for all the poor program. Right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which FMCG company has successfully completed the merger of GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare Ltd, full form of GSKCS, with itself? Right answer is B. Hindustan Unilever. Next question. Name the woman who is behind India's first testing kit, PathoDetect. Right answer is A. Manal Dekhav Bhosle. Next question. Which bank has listed green bonds of 100 million rupees on India INX Global Securities Market Green Platform, full form of GSM Global Securities Market? Right answer is State Bank of India. Next question. As per the recent changes in the direct tax regime, what is the number of days NIS needed to spend in India to qualify as Indian tax resident? Right answer is A. 120 days. Next question. Indian Air Force IAF has airlifted 6.2 ton essential medicines and hospital consumables to Maldives under which operation? Right answer is C. Sanjeevani. Next question. The Civil Aviation Ministry, under which initiative is supplying medical and essential supplies across the country? Right answer is Lifeline Udan. If you did not like our video, please like this video and subscribe also this video and press the bell icon also. Next question. The government of India has announcement setting up a cargo airways with which country to transport critical medical supplies? Right answer is China. Next question. Which Indian NGO has been awarded the Scholar Award for Social Entrepreneurship 2020 for its exceptional work in the maternal and child health space in India? Right answer is Arman. Next question. Associations representing IXARs of Central Civil Services, including IAS and the IPS, have launched which initiative to support the government's effort in fighting coronavirus? Right answer is Karuna. Next question. Which state has launched a mobile app program to issue e-passes to everyone associated with delivery of essential services? Right answer is C. Jharkhand. Next question. ICICI Securities (ISEC) has partnered with NS Raghavan Center of Entrepreneurial Learning (NSRCEL) to support startups in the fintech space. NSRCEL is startup hub of which IIM institution? Right answer is IIM Bangalore. Next question. CCI has approved acquisition of 18.1950 per Kent stake in which health insurance company wide Tricycle Ventures under the Green Channel route? Right answer is Religare. Next question. What is the theme of the World Health Day 2020? Right answer is support nurses and midwives. Next question. Which IIT institutions has developed a low-cost, portable ventilator Prana-Vayu in association with AIIMS Rishikesh? Right answer is IIT Roorkee. Next question. As per the recent survey conducted by which organization, about 1/4 of the consumers in India currently pay up for news? Right answer is A. World Economic Forum. Next question. Which company has decided to shut down its Neighborly app? Right answer is C. Google. Next question, 2021 World Games, which has been postponed to 2022, were scheduled to take place in which city? Right answer is Birmingham. Video and the questions are complete. If you like this video, please like this video and share in your friends who are preparing of competition exams, and subscribe this video please and press the bell icon also. Thank you for watching.